Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GoPro accessories, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best GoPro waterproof case out there. It's the FitStill 60M196FT waterproof case for GoPro Hero12 Black, Hero11 Black, Hero10 Black, Hero9 Black. First off, let's talk about durability. This case is built like a tank, with a sturdy construction that can withstand even the most extreme conditions. Whether you're diving to depths of 60 meters or braving the crashing waves while surfing, this case has got your back. But it's not just about toughness. The FitStill waterproof case also delivers unparalleled image clarity. With its large flat glass lens, you'll get crystal clear shots both above and below the waterline. Say goodbye to blurry footage and hello to stunning, vivid visuals. And here's the best part. This case is designed specifically for the GoPro Hero12 Black, Hero11 Black, Hero10 Black, and Hero9 Black. That means you can trust it to provide a perfect fit every time, ensuring maximum protection for your precious camera. From its easy-to-use design to its unbeatable value for money, the FitStill waterproof case has earned its place as a fan favorite. So whether you're snorkeling in tropical waters or braving icy depths on a polar expedition, make sure you've got the ultimate protection for your GoPro. Choose the FitStill waterproof case and capture every moment with confidence. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews like this. Until next time, happy adventuring!